Hello everyone, in this video I will share with you how to hide message content in iPhone notifications. Watch this video until the end and pay attention to what I do in this video. Currently the contents of the message are still visible in the notification. We will try to hide the contents of the message when the notification appears on WhatsApp. If you choose Always, then the contents of the message in the notification will be displayed. But if you choose Never, then the contents of the message in the notification will be displayed when the iPhone is unlocked. And if you have Never, then the contents of the message will not be displayed at all when a notification appears on the iPhone. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to click subscribe and press the bell button so you get notifications of the latest videos from this channel.